If you're having trouble with voice chat in Overwatch 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and set it up correctly. This guide will help you ensure that your voice chat is functioning properly. Step 1. Check in-game settings. Navigate to the settings menu in Overwatch 2. Go to the sound tab and ensure that the voice chat options are enabled. Make sure the input and output devices are set to the correct microphone and speakers you are using. Step 2. Verify your microphone. Ensure that your microphone is properly connected to your computer. Test it in other applications to confirm that it is working. If it is not functioning elsewhere, you may need to check the hardware or drivers. Step 3. Adjust Windows sound settings. Right-click the sound icon in your system tray and select Sounds. Go to the Recording tab, find your microphone, and ensure it is set as the default device. Check the levels and make sure it is not muted. Step 4. Check network connection. Voice chat requires a stable internet connection. Ensure that your network is functioning properly and that you have a good connection to the game servers. If necessary, restart your router or switch to a wired connection. Step 5. Restart the game. Sometimes, simply restarting Overwatch 2 can resolve voice chat issues. Close the game completely and relaunch it to see if the voice chat starts working again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any voice chat issues in Overwatch 2. If problems persist, consider checking forums with support for further assistance.